Okay, we have a Kenmore washing machine. Full of water. Already popped these off. Take the screws out. It just flips back. You're gonna see this right here. It's always plugged in. You just take it out. Okay. Make sure your washing machine is unplugged. Took a little piece of wire. Right? 14 gauge wire. No big deal. And you want to put it on the left and right side. Your middle will be your ground. You don't put it there. Put it on the left and the right side. We're going to plug it back in just to test it. There it goes. You're bypassing your switch, which is right there. The switch is dead. It's not working. We tried it over and over. Put some electrical tape around that, and you are good to go. Easy fix. Save yourself about $150.